Good morning dear students. In the previous video we have studied what is area of trapezium. We have seen how we got the area of trapezium with the help of right angle triangle and also the area of rectangle. So we have solved practice set 15.3. Today we are going to begin with a new area of the new shape, that is nothing but area of triangle. Now area of triangle you have already studied, correct? What was the area of triangle? Right angle triangle you have studied. Area of triangle when height is given you have studied. That is nothing but half into base into height. Correct? Now, when height is not given in the question, when a height is not there for a triangular shape, how are you going to find out the area? For there, we are going to use a different formula. Now, from where we got this formula? Formula is derived by Heron of Alexandria from Greece. He was a mathematician from Greece. He have found out the formula for area of triangle when the height is not given and only sides of the triangle are mentioned. So how to find out the area, that is what we are going to discuss. So what is the formula? We'll see. Before that, how are you going to use the formula? That is, initially you have to find out the perimeter of the triangle. What do you mean by perimeter? I have already discussed in the beginning of the chapter. That is, when you add all the borders, you will get the perimeter. Here for area of triangle, we are going to use semi-perimeter. Now what do you mean by semi-perimeter? Nothing too big definition or something. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So how we are going to write it? Semi-perimeter. Okay, that is denoted by letter small s. Okay, semi-perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. Now what is this a plus b plus c upon 2? That is nothing but sides of the triangle. Suppose this is the triangle. Okay, the side is given here A, B, C. Now in this triangle there is no height given. So what will be the formula? First you are going to find out the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So that is A plus B plus C upon 2. After finding the semi-perimeter, why are we finding out the value of S? That is nothing but semi-perimeter, because we are going to use this in the formula. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to, you are going to put a square root of, it will be S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. ABC is nothing but the sides of that triangle and S is nothing but the semi-perimeter, what we are going to find out initially, half of the perimeter. That is the value of S and you are going to find out the square root of it. Okay. So here you are going to use the square root. You need to know the square root. So students, at least till 25 you should know the squares. That will help you in solving the questions. Okay. So this is the formula which you are required to write down. The formula is already given and this formula is called as what? Heron's formula, because it is derived by whom? Heron of Alexandria. He was a mathematician who have derived this formula. That is the reason we are telling it as Heron's formula. Using this formula, we are going to solve practice set 15.4. So shall we begin? This is our question, first one. That is what is given here. Sides of a triangle are how much? One is 45 centimeter, 39 centimeter and 42 centimeter. So we have to find out the area. Now your height is not given, all the three sides are given. So we are going to use Heron's formula. So let, write down, let A is equal to 45, B is equal to 39 and C is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay. To use Heron's formula, what we require is to find out semi-perimeter, that is nothing but value of S. So semi-perimeter that is denoted by small s is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. That is nothing but 45 plus 39 plus 42 upon 2. Add this together, how much you will get? So what you get here, when you add all this, you will get 126 upon 2. When you divide it by 2, how much you are getting? That is nothing but 63. Okay. This is nothing but the semi-perimeter. Unit will be centimeter. We got the value of S. Now we can find out the area. So here S is equal to 63 centimeter. That is what we got. Now what is the formula I said? Area of triangle is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That is equal to S is nothing but what we got, 63. Then 63 minus 45, 63 minus 39 and 63 minus 42. Now you are going to subtract this. Square root of 63, write as it is 63. Then 63 minus 45, that is nothing but 18 into, here you will get 4 and 24 into, here you are going to get 21. Everything is multiplied. Now direct square root, we don't know of all these numbers. So what we can do? We can take one numbers over here and factorize it. So when you factorize, students, start with the smallest number which is divisible. Now first number is 63. So you are going to factorize, find out the factors of 63. 2 is it possible? No, it is an odd number. 2 is not possible. Next number is 3. This you have already done in smallest standard. So you should know this. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Next is 18. 18 divided by 2, 9s are 3, 3s are and 3 1s are. Next number 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 and 1. Next number is 21. The only possibility is 3 7s are 21. So this way you have to do it and then write down which are the factors here. So is equal to square root of, for 63 what we got here, 3 into 3 into 7. So you have to write 3 into 3 into 7. For 18 what we got? 2 into 3 into 3. So you are going to write 2 into 3 into 3. Next 24. 3 times 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And last 21 is 3 7s are. Correct? That is nothing but 3 into 7. Now what are we going to do is, we are going to take two numbers that is repeating. That is nothing but, you can see here, 3 is repeating twice. Okay. I am continuing here, students. I am continuing it here. After this step, follow this step. Okay. Now, put the square root sign. 3 is repeating 2 times. We will write 3 square. Okay. Next, 7. How many times it is repeating? 2 times. So we will write into 7 square. Next 2 times, so you are going to write 2 square. Next is 3 repeating 2 times, so you are going to write 3 square. Next 2 repeating 2 times, so 2 square, and last 3 square. All that we have wrote this. Now when you take the square root of square, what will happen? We can remove the square root, and what will be the answer then? 3 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay? So what is your answer? You are going to multiply 3 into 7. 2 3s are 2 3s are. So here you are getting 2 3s are 6, and here also 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36. 3 7s are 21 into 36. Find out the answer. Now when you multiply 21 into 36, you can multiply. Okay, now one thing students, I have observed this in many students, you have forgotten how to multiply. First one is correct, you do 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3. Now in the next step, what are you supposed to do? You are not going to write anything in the units place for the second time when you multiply. That is when you multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. Where are you going to write the 2? You are not going to write it over below 6. 6. Here you have to put a cross mark, or you can put a 0, because there we are not going to write. Next number we are going to write. So 12, 2, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 7. So what is the answer? You are getting 756. Now it is an area. For area, what is the unit of measurement? You are going to write square. And what is the unit of measurement given for the side? Centimeter. So here also we are going to write centimeter. Is that clear? So this is the method how you are going to solve it. So students, please, you should know how to take the square root, how to multiply. All this you need to know how to factorize. All these basic concepts you should be well versed with. Or it will be 756 centimeter square also you can write. Okay. So rest 2 questions we shall do it in the next class. So that's all for today students. Make sure you are writing your notes. Write down the formula and solve it. Okay. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.